Question number 1. Which expression is equivalent to the square root of 147? Basically, what this question is asking you guys is which of these answer choices is equivalent or the same as the square root of 147? So now you're probably confused because some of y'all probably don't know what this means. A lot of you do, but if you forgot what this means, guys, it's okay because your calculator knows exactly what a square root is. So guys, if you type this expression in the calculator, square root of 147, you figure out that the square root of 147 is the same as 12.124355653. So now guys, one of these answer choices, whenever we type it in here, is also going to give us this number. So I'm going to go ahead and type my answer choices. I'm going to start with answer choice A. 3 times the square root of 7. When I type that answer choice into my calculator, it shows me that this answer choice A equals 7.93 with a little bit more decimals, right? So that's not the number that I want. Now, so answer choice A is not it because they're not the same. Let me type answer choice B now. So answer choice B, I have 7 times the square root of 3. When I type in answer choice B, notice this number 12.124355653 is the same number as the expression above. So the square root of 147 is equivalent or the same to 7 square root of 3, or answer choice B.